I'm going to show you a video of where to put the wires when you're wiring in a receiver for a Ferroli Blue Helix high tech. First wires we've got here are your mains that can come straight off the boiler. You don't have to struggle, you can literally pull them off and you can do your wires, put your wires in and you put it back on. The other two wires, make sure you don't put any voltage on these at all. The voltage free. You can literally take them off the plug, put your wires in and just literally put them back on. One thing we do notice when we go out to a lot of these boilers, people put these wires in, they pull them down the back so they're completely tight, and then we can't actually pull the front cover down then. So if you can leave a little bit of slack like that, so when you pull the cover down, it's not going to pull the wires out. That's how you wire a receiver to a Ferroli Blue Helix high tech.